Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the top stories. Mahanand says police forced him to confess crimes that he did not commit. But is he speaking the truth? A Prudent Media exclusive. Prudent steps in its fourth year. People from all walks of society wish Prudent all the best. Cars extend their gratitude towards Goans for immense help after flood. Organize a Kritanyata rally from Mashe to Paigin. ESG CEO alleges GTDC MD Nikhil Desai of corruption. Chief Secretary orders vigilance inquiry. Nation pays tribute to the father of independence. CM says Gandhi's ahimsa brought freedom without violence. And now the news in detail. In a shocking revelation, serial killer Mahanand Naik has blamed Goa police of severe harassment. He claims that he was forced to take responsibility of 16 murders he did not commit. Our crime reporter Lokik Shilkar met the Dupatta killer. In this conversation, captured on a hidden camera, Mahanand claims that he did not rape the girl at Shiroda. But is he speaking the truth?
The Dupatta killer is not someone who you can trust. The man who is booked for almost 16 murders cannot be called a man of faith and trust. He has been also convicted in the Shiroda rape case. Our reporter spoke with the Dupatta killer 2 days ago when he was brought to the court. He had a chat with Mahanand Naik. The alleged psychopath blamed police for all his confessions.
कॅमेराचे हांव तसो हांव म्हणून तेंच्यान मुद्दाम म्हाका हें करून जबरदस्ती घालून न्हू आतां म्हाका दिसता पोलीस म्हणटरी कोणी सामकें हें करून व्हरताच न्हू तूं गाडयेन घालून यो बस म्हळें बस म्हणून व्हरता थंय उबी करतलेच न्हू पूण आतां बी ना आतां कित्याक भिवपाक रातचें बरें मारता तुका हें करना जाल्यार तुका मारता मारता करून बरें बरें हें करून लायला मरे तूं पोटा दिलो स्टॅच्यू हें करून लायलो अशें सेक्शन कर म्हणून पहिले आपले रुमा भितर फोना तशें हांवें सांगपाक सांगलेलें म्हाका तें स्टील रोडान मारता अशें तशें हें करून लायता म्हणून सांगपाचें मागीर सांगलो हांवें मागीर आनी कितें काय सांगून काय फायदोच ना म्हणलें काय ह्याच एक्शनूय घेयना.
He also claimed that police demonstrated how to kill with a dupatta and that is the reason he mentioned dupatta as his murder weapon.
एक स्टॅच्यू बी हाडून तेंच्यापेक्षा शुटींग काडलें सांगला दुपट्टा बी घातलो ना म्हाका तशें पेसांनी हें करून हें केलें डायरेक्ट बसोवन स्टॅच्यू हाडून हें केलो बीन मरे वयर हितू मरे रुमाक जबरदस्ती म्हाका एक सांग तुका पोलिसान जबरदस्ती हें केलें म्हणटकीर तूं म्हाका एक सांग तुजेर आतां हांणी दबाव हाडलो म्हणटकीर हांवें तो तुजेर करूंक पायना न्हू तुजी तुजूच ना न्हू.
Our reporter brought to his notice the bones that were found at the murder site. He said that police planted those bones and later recovered them.
प्लास्टिक पिशवेनी व्हरता म्हणटा पोलीस लोक हांव म्हाका जिपेन बसयला आनी फुडें ते इटर्नो गाडी गेले आनी थंय फुडें दवरल्या मरे पयलीं आतां गाडी आनी ती आसा.
The authenticity of all his claims is definitely in doubt. If he has really killed 13 girls and if he was roaming fearlessly in the society all these years, then there are definitely limitations to an extent you can trust this man. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Fallari for Prudent Media.
It's a momentous occasion for the entire Prudent Media team. Prudent Media completed 4 years on its inception on the 2nd of October. Prudent has come a long way in becoming a household name among the Goan populace.
The Prudent Media team celebrated its 4th anniversary on Saturday. Both high-profile as well as the other well-wishers greeted the team on the special occasion. Amongst those who made a special appearance were Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Home Minister Ravi Naik, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President Subhash Shirodkar, Bharatiya Janata Party leaders Manohar Parrikar, Lakshmikant Parsekar, Govind Parvatkar, Shripad Naik, Francis D'Souza, Rajendra Arlekar, NCP leaders Nilkant Halankar, Trajano Dimelo, Avinash Bhosle and MGPs Pandurang Raut. Others like PI Sandesh Todankar, DYSP Dev Banavlikar, SP Arvind Gaus, Mahesh Gaonkar, DYSP Chandrakant Salgaonkar, Goa 365 News Channel's MD Suhan Karkar and Editor-in-Chief Sanjay Dhavrikar, Sanatan Prabhat's Prithviraj Hazare and Virendra Marathe, NRI Affairs Commissioner Edward Faler, journalist John Aguiar, CCP Deputy Mayor Yatin Parekh, Sunil Desai, Surendra Sirsat, Naresh Sawal, Sridhar Kamath Bambolkar, Assistant Directors of Transport Vishram Govekar, Prahlad Desai, Director of Science and Technology Michael D'Souza, Director of Art and Culture Prasad Loliekar and many other guests were also among those people who visited the Prudent office at Santines. From airing daily news bulletin in the evening to becoming a full-fledged 24 hours channel, Prudent Media as a news and entertainment channel has indeed come a long way. We promise you Prudent will raise the bar with our aggressive approach towards news, and we hope in the years to come, you viewers will give us the much needed support so that we are motivated to give our best. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And the credit all goes to you, our viewers. Kankonkars expressed their token of gratitude for the assistance given by Goenkars in the aftermath of the Kankon floods. SS Angle Higher Secondary held a gratitude rally from Masha to Paigin. Kankona flood rampage incident completed 1 year on 2nd of October. 200 students and around 50 teachers participated in the rally.
Who can forget the most devastating flood in the history of Goa? The Kankon flood rampage. The incident completed 1 year on 2nd October. The flood took everything away from the Kankonkars. This flood brought all the Goenkars together. People visited the flood-hit site and contributed for the rehabilitation of the Kankonkars. Now Kankonkars have expressed their gratitude. Around 200 students and 50 teachers of SS Angle Higher Secondary School organized a rally from Mashen to Paingin to thank people for extending the timely assistance. Daya Pagi flagged off the rally from Mashen.
वारांत 1 वर्स जाल्लें आसतना आमच्या हायर सेकंडरी स्कुलान एक आमची जबाबदारी म्हणून आमची लागणूक म्हणून ह्या कृतज्ञताय रॅलीचें आयोजन केल्लें आसा आनीक पुरूय बी आमच्या हायर सेकंडरीच्या स्कुलांनी आमच्या हायर सेकंडरीच्या भुरग्यांनी एग्जाम्स आमच्यो पोस्टपोन करून आमी रिलीफ वर्क स्टार्ट केल्लो. ह्याय वर्साक आमी अशे तरेची रॅली काडल्या. उद्देश इतलोच आसा की सबंद गोंयच्यान जो हुंवाराचो आमचो हुंवाराच्या नंतर जो आदाराचो भरपूर लोट आयलो त्या लोकां बद्दलची एक कृतज्ञताय व्यक्त करची.
The rally marched for around 50 to 20 kilometers. Kankon MLA Vijay Pai Khoth participated in the rally. A reporter from Kankon, Babesh Borkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.